Welcome back to PCC Tech. Today we will be mirroring and controlling our phone from PC, wirelessly. This is an update to a previous video we made that you can check out here. Before we begin, make sure your phone and PC both are on the same network. That is, they are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. The link to download SCRCPY tool is in the description. Extract the downloaded files to your desired location. Now go to your phone and enable USB debugging and debugging over Wi-Fi. Follow the instructions on screen. Now on your PC, go to the previously extracted folder and connect your phone over USB. Make sure USB debugging connected is notified on your phone. Now run SCRCPY no console.exe. Check always allow and click OK on your phone. Now run SCRCPY no console.exe on your PC again. This time you should see your phone on your PC in a window. You will be able to control it using your mouse. Now to connect Wi-Fi, get your phone's IP address. Follow the on-screen instructions. On your PC, right-click on Wireless Script and open Edit. Replace IP with your phone's IP address. For me, it is 192.168.1.3. Now create a shortcut for SCRCPY no console and wireless script on your desktop. You can change the name and icon if you want to. This step is completely optional. We will name the wireless script as Connect. Now we need to run Connect. Once it is done, you can unplug your phone from your PC and run SCRCPY. And we are done. Now every time you start your PC, you have to run Connect once before running SCRCPY. This needs to be done only once per session. If you face any problems, please leave a comment in the comment section. We are here to help. Dislike our video if you feel so, like if you do. And subscribe if you found this helpful. Peace.